One wants to avoid a repeat of the last decade, the 2010s, I mean, when you had the rise of Trump and you had the rise of authoritarian populisms across the world. I take the Biden victory as a very positive development. I think that this hopefully will be able to set the agenda. Not that I'm a great fan of Joe Biden, but I think that this is a great reprieve for people who believe in a sensible, progressive politics. But this is really the time for people to think what justice really means in the world. That there are people who genuinely need justice. This is not just an academic nicety that is meant to advance careers and get plum positions in universities and meant to make you a professor or whatever it is that you're looking for, or get your paper published in some journal. All that is fine. Okay, all that is fine. But I think that there's something much, much more pressing that is going on in the world. The failure to understand that, I think, is a failure to understand the very crucial and critical moment that we stand in right now. In this year that we've just gone by, the year of the coronavirus pandemic, and which is still not over. And there are certain crucial junctures in history. If you're not able to understand those crucial junctures, then obviously that means that you're just not looking hard enough.
Thank you very much. Dear friends, we are just talking about burqa ban in Switzerland. But Professor Amir Ali, who teaches political science at Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi, where we are conducting this interview, has also talked about free speech, political theory, multiculturalism, democracy, rise of authoritarian